statistics class. This class is for class 9 and in continuation to the previous class of statistics. In the previous class we have discussed about the mean and the basic terms that are used in this chapter in statistics. Now today we will be discussing about median. Median of what? Of ungrouped data. Ungrouped data we have discussed in the first class, so you can consult that class. Now what is the meaning of median? Median is the central value sorry. Median is the central value of any data when arranged. So suppose there are marks of some children in math. Suppose 9, 4, 2, 8, 6, 9, 3, 0, 5, 11, 12. Sorry, no. Let us say 1 and 1. 1 and 1. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now there are, how many observations are there? Number of observations is 11. Now we have to find the mid value of this data. So how are we going to find? First of all, we arrange the data either in ascending or descending order. Very first thing what we are going to do, arrange the given data. In which order? Ascending or descending. Whichever you feel is easy, we will do that. So first number is 0, then this done, 1 and 1, these ones finish. Now 1, 2 is there, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 6, 8 and 9 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what we have done, we have arranged the data. Now number of observation is 11, so we have to find the median. Median ME. How do we find the data? When the number of observation 11 is odd number. When it is an odd number, we use a formula n plus 1 upon 2th term. From where are we going to find this term? From the arranged data. Means how much is the n? N is 11 plus 1, 12 upon 2, 6th term. We will find the 6th term in the data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this 4 is the median of this data. I hope with this small example you would have understood how to find the median. Now there are two formulae that we will be discussing here. First of all, what is median? Median is the central value of any data when the data is arranged in a particular manner. So I took some data randomly. This is ungrouped data that has been arranged in this manner, and then median is of odd numbers and even numbers. So now if the number of terms is odd, then we use formula n plus 1 upon 2th term. So n is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12, 12 upon 2 is 6. 6th term in the arranged data will be the median. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6th term is the median. Now I will be discussing about the formula. Now when n is odd, then median is calculated with a different formula, and when n is even, then median is calculated with a different formula, even. And here it is odd. When n is odd, n means number of observations is odd. So when n is odd, we write median as n plus 1 upon 2th term. Upon 2th term means when we arrange the data, so whichever value is what is the value of the data which lies on this term is the median. And when n is even, then median is n upon 2th term plus n upon 2 plus 1th term upon 2 is the value of median. So you need to remember these formula. Now we will discuss the exercise, and first of all there are a few questions based on mean that we will be discussing, and then we will move on to the median. So these two formulae you need to revise or you need to remember them by heart. Now we move on to exercise 20.1. Now I am taking question number 4. We will be doing the questions in the multiple of 2 because in the previous class we have already discussed question number 2. So now question number 4. They say find the mean of first 12 natural numbers. So first 12 natural numbers will be x1 represented by 1, x2 represented by 2 up to x12. x12 will be represented by 12. First 12 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is the observation, and n number of observations is how much? Number of observation will be 12 because from 1 to 12 there are 12 digits. So mean will be, we know mean is equal to sigma xi, where I is equal to from 1 to 12 upon n. It means we should add 1, 2, 3 up to 12. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Divide by 12. Now let's 2, 3, 5 and 6. 6, 4, 10, 5, 15. 15 and 6, 21 and 7, 28. 28 and 8, 36. 36 and 20. 56, 66, 76, 78. 78 upon 12. Now 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18. 39 upon 6. Now 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 0 are 13 upon 2 means 6.5 is the mean of first 12 numbers. This is the final value. Now we will take up question number 6. Now question number 6, second part I am taking. In the first part again you have to solve the same thing. You have to find the average or the mean. So I am not discussing that. Now in question number 15 they say that, question number 6 second part, they say that mean of age of 3 students Vijay, Rahul and Rakhi is 15 years. Mean is given, means average is given, and they say that if their ages are in the ratio of 4:5:6, means Vijay's age is to Rahul's age is to Rakhi's age. Their ratio is given as 4:5:6. We have to find their ages, and the average or the mean of their ages is given to you as 15 years. So first of all, let us take the common ratio as x. Let the common ratio be x. Let the common ratio be x. So Vijay will be 4x, Rahul will be 5x, and Rakhi will be 6x. Rakhi will become 6x. Now we know that means this will be considered as x1 and this will be considered as x2. This will be considered as x3. Now we know that mean of 3 because there are only 3 observations. So mean or x bar is x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 upon total number of observations, and total number of observations are 3. So it is given that 15 is the average. X1 is 4x plus 5x plus 6x upon 3. Cross multiplication, 45 is equal to 15x. 6 and 4 10 and 5 15. So 15 3s is 45. X is equal to 3. X means the constant value or the common ratio has become x. This value is x. So Vijay was what? 4x. It means 4 3s are 12 years is Vijay's age. Now Rahul is 5x, that is 5 3s are 15 years, and similarly Rakhi is 6x, means 6 into 3, that is 18 years. If you want you can check, total them, divide them by 3, you will get the value as 15 years. So this is the solution. Now next question I am taking is 8, that is also based on the mean, and we know that mean of any data is equal to sum of all the observations divided by total number of observations. So now they say the mean of 25 observations is 27. So it means number of observations, or you can say n is given to you 25. Mean of 25 observations is 27. Mean, that is x bar, is given as 27. Then what do they say? If the mean of the, they say that if one observation is included, means now the number of observations will become how much? N plus 1. And now the number of observation will become 25 plus 1, that is 26. But they say that still the mean remains same, that is 27. Mean is still 27, but the number of observations has changed from 25 to 26. They say find the included observation. So we will assume that let the included observation be x. I have taken the included observation as x. So from the first case, we know that x bar, and x bar is given to us as how much? 27, is equal to sum of 25 observations, upon total number of observations, that was 25. According to this formula, mean is equal to sum of observations upon total number of observations. So mean is 27, sum of all the 25 observations divided by 25. So we can get sum of observations, that will be 27 into 25. That will be coming, I hope it will come as 675. This is first case. Now in the second case, they say number of observations has changed to how much? 26. So number of observations has changed and mean remains same. So in place of mean, we will be writing mean, because we know mean is equal to sum of observations. So sum of observations, sum of 26 observations now. Previously there were 25, but now 1 has been increased. So 26 observations upon 26. So from this, by cross multiplication, we can get sum of 26 observations as 27 into 26. That will come as 702. This is the, now sum of 27 observation is 702, whereas sum of 25 observation is 675. So what is the new number that has been added? We will subtract this, let us say equation number 1. We will subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2, or we can say that new observation or included observation, that was x, is equal to sum of 26 observations minus sum of 25 observations. So sum of 26 is how much? 702 minus 675. So that will be 7 and 5, 12, and 9 minus 7 is 2. 27 is the new observation, that was x, that is the final value. So these types of questions generally come for 3 marks or 2 marks. So in mean, these types of questions are important. Now next is question number 10. They say that mean of 8 variates. It means number of observation is given to us as 8. Mean of 8 variants is, so mean of these 8 numbers is given to us as 10.5. And they say that if 7 of them are 3, 15, 7, 7 observations are 3, 15, 7, 19, 2, 17 and 8. and 8, you have to find the 8th observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 observations are given. We have to find the 8th observation. Mean is given and they say total number of observations is 8. So we will assume that let the 8th observation be x. So now according to the formula mean is equal to sum of observations upon total number of observations, we can say mean is given to you 10.5 is equal to sum of observations. Sum means 3 plus 15 plus 7 plus 19 plus 2 plus 17 plus 8. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus the 8th one that we assumed was x upon total number of observations. Total number of observations is 8. So what we will do, by cross multiply and we add all these, so that will become 15 and let's say 10.5 into 8 is equal to, that is 15 and 3 18 plus 7 plus 19 plus 2 plus 17 plus 8. It gives us as 71 plus x. 8 and 7 15 17 17 18 17 and 9 26 26 and 7 33 33 and 5 38 38 and 9 40 41 1 4 carry 5 6 7. So 71 plus x. Now 8 5s are 40, so and 8 1s are 8. Decimal will be here. So 10.5 into 8 is 84 is equal to 71 plus x. Implies that x is equal to 84 minus 71. 4 minus 1 is 3. 13 is the 8th observation. This is the final value of this, and this is now we move on to the next part. Now next question is question number 12. They say mean of 9 observations was found to be 35. It means x bar is given as 35 and n number of observations is given to you as 9. Then they say it was detected that an observation 81 was misread as 18. Find the correct mean. Now they say that instead of 81 in the given data, whatever data was given, instead of 81 by mistake it was taken 18. That is why the observation is coming, that is why the mean is coming as 35. We need to find out the correct mean. So we will use the same formula. Mean, that is 35, is equal to sum of 9 observations, or number of observations will be same. So I am not writing 9. Sum of observations upon 9. So it means that sum of observations is coming as 35 into 9. 35 into 9 5s are 45, 4, 9, 27, 28, 20, 30, 31. 315 is the total, or you can say sum of observation is 315. Now in this 318, there was one observation 81 which was read as 18. So what we are going to do, we will subtract 18 from this and we will add 81 to this. Why? Because instead of 81 it was read as 18. So either we can add the difference of 81 minus 18, or the easiest way is whatever the wrong observation was taken, we simply delete that, or we simply ignore that, or subtract that observation and add the right observation. So that is what I am doing. 315 minus 18 plus 81. So that will be 516, 8 and 1 9, 396 minus 18, 16 minus 8 is 8, 8 minus 1 is 7 and 3. Now the new sum of observations, new or correct sum of observations is coming as 378. So average or mean will be 378 divided by 9, because total number of observations is 9 and still it is 9. So because we have already deleted this 18 one and we have added 81. So 9 4s are 36 and 18, 9 2s are 18. 42 is the new mean. We can say x bar and n stands for new. So new mean is 42. This is the correct value. So now we have discussed up to question number 10. Maybe in the next class we will be dealing with the questions based on the median. There again I will be revising, but please remember that whenever we, what is the meaning of median? Median is the mid value of the given data. Number one, how do we find? We always arrange the data in either ascending or descending order, and then we apply the formula according to the number of terms given. If number of terms is odd, then median is n plus 1 upon 2th term, and when the number of terms is even, then it is n upon 2th term plus n upon 2 plus 1th term upon 2. So this will be taking up again in the next class. Till then, stay blessed, keep on studying, and stay safe. Thank you all of you.